filter range, we're going to write a method named filterRange. It accepts an array list of integers and two integer values, min and max. These are the parameters, and it's going to remove all elements whose values are in the range min through max inclusively. For example, if we have something that looks like this, and we're passed in 5 and 7 as our min and max, every element inside of here, not index, but element, between 5 and 7, I think this is inclusively, yes, it's inclusively, is going to be just completely removed from our array list. This is pretty simple. All we need to do is look at every single element inside of this list, and if it is between min and max, we're going to want to remove it. So let's do a for int a is equal to 0. A has to be less than our list.size because we want to run through the entire thing. A++, of course, because we're going to want to get to the end eventually. We just need a simple check. It's going to be if our min is less than or equal to the list.get at index A, and our list.get index A is less than or equal to our max, right? Because this means it's in between our min and max. This means we can remove it because it is in the middle here. So we'll do list.remove, and then we're going to pass in A. This is going to remove it here. Now, if we remove something, remember, everything gets pushed down 1. So, because we're removing something, we have to subtract 1 from our A whenever we do this. And again, that's because, like, let's say if we remove 2, right? This is at index 0, 1, 2, 3. This is at index 3. So this next one is going to be at index 4. Well, if we move everything down, this 7 right here will never get looked at because we're going to be looking at this next index because it replaces it. So we need a way to decrement so that way we can look at it once we remove something. So that's the theory behind it. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you. If you want more exercises, they're in the playlist below the like button. That passes 5 out of 5 tests, and that's how we would do exercise 10.15 filter range.